Okay, good afternoon or good morning, innovators. In this lesson, you will be able to revise your thesis statement. You have already made a thesis statement, most of you, but now that we're doing some partner writing, you will be able to collaboratively revise. So that means after this lesson, you will get together with your partner, share your resources, and together draft a new thesis statement. So we're putting together two brains after this lesson. So remember that a thesis statement is like the heart of the essay. And the reason why we say that is because just like the human body needs a heart, so does the essay. The essay needs the thesis statement. When you have an unhealthy heart, it is weak or it is not healthy. The body is weak and the body is not healthy, and that is not good. But when you have a strong beating heart, the body survives and thrives. And so the essay is the same. When you have a strong thesis statement, you have a strong essay. So we have already learned this, so let's see if you can answer this first little trivia question. What does the thesis statement actually do? A, states the central idea of the essay. B, tells the reader the topic of the essay. Or C, hooks the reader into the essay. What do you think? The answer is A. It states the central idea of the essay. Nice job. Woohoo! Okay, enough of that. Let's see if you can answer the second question, remembering from a past lesson. Where is the thesis statement in the essay? A, the whole first paragraph is a thesis. B, near the end of the intro paragraph. Or C, the last sentence of the essay. Drum roll, please. Which one do you think? Make your guess. The answer is B, near the end of the introduction paragraph, and I'll show you an example in a second. I'm sorry, I had a fun sound effect there. Woohoo! All right, sorry. You guys know I'm a little corny. All right, next, and I think last question is, when you write a thesis statement, what is the criteria for success? Which one of these does a thesis statement have to do or be? Concise, 1 to 2 sentences. B, answers a question about the topic. C, includes 2 to 3 key details that will help answer the question. What do you think? Is it A, B, or C? The answer is A and B and C. Woo! I know you guys are like, wait, that's not a real question. No, but yes, so it has to meet all of these 3 criteria. So let's move on and look at an example. So let's say a person was given the research question, how does one make a PB&J? And that means peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And so this person drafts this introduction paragraph, and you can see the highlighted text is the is the thesis. So I'll read it out loud as you can read it to yourself. Everyone has a fond childhood memory of biting into a soft, creamy, sweet peanut butter and jelly sandwich and washing it down with a cold glass of milk. That is not the thesis statement. That is just a hook. Next, so many of us have grown up eating PB&Js and still they never get old. Isn't that true? A classic American snack or nutritious meal, this treat is easy to prepare. Still not a thesis, but here is the thesis in blue. PB&Js can be made by gathering the necessary food ingredients, collecting the proper utensils, and spreading the condiments. Going back, It is concise. It is 1 to 2 sentences. Does it answer the question about the topic? Well, here's the question, and yes, it does. And lastly, which is probably the most important one, is a thesis statement includes 2 to 3 key details that help answer the question. And those key details in this thesis statement are: number 1, you need the food ingredients. Number 2, collect the proper utensils. And 3, spread the condiments. I know there are 3 key details because they're separated with commas or words like and or. So this is a great thesis statement. Let's take a break.
It's peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly